We were extremely pleased to announce Elation on Tour. After 14 months of hosting virtual events, Elation US team is back on the road again. We've done 18 stops, seen hundreds of customers, meeting clients and demoing products, and we've had just a great time out there.
We just want to thank everyone for coming out across, from all over from Minneapolis, Charlotte, Atlanta, New Orleans, Portland, LA, Denver, Salt Lake City. It's just been absolutely incredible. So thank you everyone, and thank you for everyone at Elation too for all the hard work. It's just been absolutely incredible. Thanks everybody.
Hey, it's Joe with Elation Lighting here. We've been on a West Coast United States tour, going 8 stops, showing off our new lighting fixtures and systems we've got. We've been hanging out with lighting designers, directors, dealers, all throughout the nation. It's been a great time.
Hi, I'm John Dunn, National Sales Manager for Elation, and we're here at the Bill Graham Civic Auditorium in San Francisco, historic venue. After several dates from Denver to Salt Lake to Phoenix to Albuquerque, and then started out in the Pacific Northwest. And we're going to end this tour tomorrow in Los Angeles. This event and this Elation on Tour was really a brainchild of Eric Meitzner, one of our guys. We were able to kind of really bring the lights to our customers for the first time after this pandemic has really knocked the industry on its heels quite a bit. So it was really nice to be able to get out and get in front of people for the first time and get hands-on and do something in a more meaningful way than we had been able to do in a long, long time.
Hey, Chuck Green here with Elation, out in the San Francisco stop of our Elation on Tour roadshow. It's been a lot of fun, not just hanging out on the bus with some of my coworkers / buddies and having a good time, but getting out and finally seeing dealers we haven't seen in a couple years, seeing some faces that I haven't seen in a while. It's been so awesome to get out there and talk about gear again and talk about future products again, and it's been a really great experience.
Hey, my name's Brian Vaughn. I'm a lighting designer here. I'm at the Elation event in San Francisco. Their on tour event, looking at all the new, really awesome fixtures that they have out. Everything's really great. You should check it out.
Today we're wrapping it up here at the Novo Theater in Los Angeles. It's been quite an experience. Can't wait to get out and see our customers one-on-one again, but it was more than a pleasure getting out on the road with my teammates and again just seeing people talking about lights, having a great time, having some laughs, looking at new products. It was all in all just a wonderful time.